After 1,420 kilometres on the road, everything is about to change. This is where the fast travel ends and the real adventure begins. We've reached the coast and we're finally slowing things down. Welcome to Batemans Bay, our home for the next 4 nights, as we begin travelling north along the New South Wales coast. After travelling over 1,420 kilometres, we've officially reached the point where our journey changes pace. From here, we swap long driving days for something we've really been looking forward to, slow coastal travel along the stunning New South Wales coast. This stop is Batemans Bay, where we'll settle in for 4 nights to relax, explore and soak up everything this beautiful part of Australia has to offer. And you did a very good job today.
Just trying to get over.
Yep. You did a very good job of driving down that massive mountain. We dropped from 800 odd metres down to sea level. All pretty quickly too.
Just flew down there.
Yeah, we
Not
did.
really.
Oh, no.
Took my time.
You did. There you go. So we're now in Batemans Bay. Got a couple of days here. It should be lovely. This is where we begin the real holiday. Coastal air, ocean drives, and taking the time to truly enjoy each destination. So come along with us as we begin this next chapter, heading north one coastal gem at a time. And just like that, we are set up.
Hey?
John's just doing the last little bit of stuff. He's going to put the anti-flappers on because we're at the beach on the awning. And pretty much ready to go. TV's up, coffee machine's out. Got a couple of windows and vents open, and we are in a great spot. We are here at 423, so that's where you come in. There's a really nice pool, come through, and there 423, walk through to the beach here or walk through to the beach here. So we'll go and have a look at the beach in a minute. I don't know that we need lunch after our nice brekkie that we just had up at Braidwood, so maybe just a cup of tea and a hot cross bun, I think, will do me. As we roll into the Batemans Bay Holiday Park set at Corrigans Beach, it doesn't take long to see why this spot is such a favourite for travellers. Settled right along the waterfront, this park has a relaxed coastal feel with plenty of space, fresh sea air and that easy holiday vibe we've been craving. The park itself is well set up with great facilities, powered sites and everything you need to settle in comfortably for a few nights. Our side is just a short stroll to the beach where calm waters and scenic views make it perfect for swimming, walking or simply unwinding. Gonna go to the beach and go have a look. It sounds like it's surfy sort of beach. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Sounds like there's, what's it called? Corrigans Beach.
Okay. It's out there.
Yeah, river's that way. Well, there's not a lot of warmth in that.
No, that's okay.
Woo! Oh, that's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's really nice, isn't it?
Nice.
Love it. I love beach. Oh, this is a bit bigger. Woo-hoo.
I reckon that only tide's coming in.
Yeah.
Near the beach, didn't we?
Beach is my happy place.
Christine's, she's back.
I love it. I love the beach. Very much fun.
She'll be swimming in the cold water, don't worry.
Oh yeah, it's not tempting because it's brown.
It's
It's
not.
a bit brown, but see, I'm smiling. I'm happy. Don't know if any one of you guys watch it. And I've got my t-shirt on. Elnick. So hi to Nick and Alenia and the kids. All 4 of them. Yeah, congratulations if you watch us. If you don't,
You
but
should.
you should be. Different adventures. Definitely different.
Not quite as out there as you. We've already got our L plates on.
Yeah. One day we hope to grow up to be just like you. No, I don't actually. It's too hard.
We're too old.
Yeah, we're too old for all that. But anyway, good on you guys. And the best part about the park, it's perfectly positioned to explore everything around Batemans Bay while still feeling like a peaceful coastal escape. After the long journey to get here, it's exactly what we were looking for. Little setup, isn't it?
New table chairs though.
Yes. There's a feature here. Our chairs were not doing well, so John ordered some and it was a bit risky, but he got them delivered here to the Caravan Park at Batemans Bay. We're only here for 2 nights. He didn't order them that long ago, so to those,
sometimes you have to be a risk taker in life.
so some people that we were camping with at Edithburgh thought maybe we wouldn't get them, but
They were laughing at me.
well, they were suggesting that maybe you were cutting it fine.
So I just want to say that those people out there that I know from Port Hughes, Moonta Bay, all good.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going to have our cuppa and our hot cross bun now. I think that's a job for you.
Okay.
So while John's making hot cross buns and that cup of tea, I'll just show you around this beautiful area of Batemans Bay, the Caravan Park and the vicinities. This is the life, cooking up a meal outside, fresh air all around us and just taking it easy. Barbecue going, the air fryer on and veggies cooking. It's simple, but it's exactly how we love to do it. And most of the time, this is us. Good food, great surroundings and just enjoying the moment. Okay.
The vantage point was used to check for hostile ships during World War II. To the north, beyond Snapper Island, directly ahead, you're looking across the North Head and Duras. To the south lies Corrigans Beach and Malibu Bay. To the east, it's toll gates in the Tasman City.
Then back up there is Clyde Mountain.
Snapper Island is the home to green holding of little penguins.
Oh,
You're not allowed out there. No landing policy for humans.
okay. We woke the next morning to a beautiful day, perfect for getting out and exploring. We jumped in the car and headed off to check out a few local spots, taking in the views from the lookouts and soaking up the scenery around Batemans Bay. And from there we made our way across to Long Beach, where the coastline opens up to another stunning stretch of beach. Nice. Isn't it? Very pleasant, very peaceful, very nice. These guys got the right idea. Got their coffee cup out. Yeah. After a relaxed morning out, we headed back into town and spent some time along the beautiful Clyde River, just wandering, taking it all in, and of course stopping for a coffee along the way. Simple moments, but these are the ones that makes travel so special. Found the water.
No, I did.
So the sea and the rivers were the lifeblood of the early European coastal communities. Steamships carried passengers to and from the settlements and regularly delivered goods from Sydney and returned with produce from Batemans Bay, Nelligan and other places. So we've got a little tricky thing that I've got to do today. I'm not sure if you remember the other day I went to the lolly shop with John and he picked out some nice licorice. Hard, chewy, sticky licorice. Well, I broke a tooth. So, emergency dentistry today. It's not good. Anyway, we found one and they've been able to accommodate our requirements. Do you want to stop here for a coffee? Well, I was just watching that pelican diving for fish and the seagulls realised what he was doing. Wow. Came to the party, didn't they? Trying to get it out of its beak. There he is. Yep. Okay, so I might be talking a bit funny because I have been to the dentist and they've given me a temporary filling with some pins in. There's the culprit, that one. Beautiful licorice, hard as nails. Listen to this. Can't eat it. I'm not going to eat it. And my mouth's numb for the rest of the day, and my cheeks numb.
Smelled some in the microwave.
And you've hashed up the microwave?
Nah, it's all fixed now. So there was a blob in the microwave.
Yeah.
And I cut up some squares. So that piece will go in the microwave when you're ready to go again.
Okay, just come a bit closer to the camera and show them the mouth.
Why? Black teeth, have I?
Everywhere. Anyway.
A little bit later for Ron.
Yeah. Jesus.
It's not that bad.
I don't know. Are we mad? Are we mad?
Yes. Yes, we're mad.
Well, we're just going to see. I'm not sure. It doesn't look that inviting either. John reckons this will help my tooth.
It will.
Help my tooth.
Not how I know that.
It'll distract me from it at least. I don't know. There's no other idiots. Oh! There's no other idiots in the water either. It's just us. We did it. Woo! I guess I'll get in. Is it nice? Uh-oh. I'm in. Okay, I'm in. Sort of in. A little bit of surf here. A little bit of surf here. Not really. We did it.
We did it.
That'd be funny if we had a big wave come against us. We did it. We've had a swim. Next place will be even better.
But I went under. Christine didn't.
No, I just went up to my shoulders.
You got a sore tooth.
I have got a sore tooth.
Yeah, you got the excuse.
I can get away with it. Next place is going to be even better, so stick around and make sure you keep watching. Make sure you've subscribed too, so then you get a notification of when our next episode has come out. Isn't that right?
That's right.
John's got his little travel bag with him. He's going to go to the dump point, I think. You're going to go in, are you?
Yeah, I'll try that. That'll be cool.
We've come to the pool, but there's a few kids here, so we won't record kids swimming at the pool, but it's actually a very pleasant, very clean, nice pool. Batemans Bay has been such a beautiful place for us to slow down, take a breath, and really enjoy everything this area has to offer. From the stunning coastal views to the relaxed pace, it's been exactly what we needed. We hope you've enjoyed coming along with us for this part of the journey. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned, because in our next episode we continue heading up the New South Wales coast to the beautiful seaside town of Huskisson. We'll see you there.